Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with a clogged dryer vent, wondering what's causing your clothes to take forever to dry? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's called the PetOde 2-Pieces Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. This premium kit is designed to make your life easier, and it's compatible with most vacuum cleaners, so you don't have to worry about whether it'll fit. The Stretch Universal Connector is a game changer. It's like a flexible arm that can reach into tight spaces, and the sound of the lint being sucked out is incredibly satisfying. The inner and outer heights of the vacuum hoses are specifically designed to fit into narrower gaps, making it perfect for cleaning those hard-to-reach areas. The practical Dryer Lint Brush is also a standout feature. It's long and thin, allowing you to get into tight spaces, like behind appliances or between the sofa cushions, and the feel of the soft bristles is gentle on surfaces. This kit is well reviewed by many customers who have purchased and used it, and it's easy to see why. It's just so effective at cleaning years of built-up lint, making your dryer more efficient and saving you time and energy. The flexible and convenient design of this kit makes it perfect for cleaning places that are normally impossible to reach, and the result is a noticeable difference in the performance of your dryer. It's also great for cleaning refrigerator coils, radiators, and other areas that tend to accumulate dust and debris. Overall, the PetOde 2-Pieces Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their dryer running smoothly and efficiently, and I highly recommend giving it a try. It's a simple solution to a common problem, and it's sure to make your life easier. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.